Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Compass headrest, full guide. Start by moving the seat forward and lowering the backrest to gain clear access to the headrest posts and release area. Check both sides of the seat back for a release button or a small notch, then press or pry gently while pulling the headrest upward to free the posts from the guides. I will walk you through the simple tools and preparation so the job feels easy and clean. Gather a flat plastic trim tool, flashlight, gloves, and a small container for any clips. Make sure the seat is positioned to give clear access, and test the release mechanism gently before using force, so you avoid breaking plastic guides or bending headrest posts. Follow these step-by-step actions to remove the headrest safely and quickly without guessing. Press the release button or push the notch while pulling the headrest straight up. Use steady pressure to avoid tilting the posts. If it resists, release the upholstery cover to reveal and unclip any retaining springs, then lift the headrest free, inspect the posts for damage, and clean the guides before reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.